Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Alum Rock local and long distance movers near me. Whenever you need to hire a credible and cheap Alum Rock moving company, you need to get the best solution. With 3 movers helping you move, your long distance or local move gets much easier. We work with all sorts of individuals, including veterans, students, property owners, renters, and many more. No matter the type of move you need to be done, our moving crew is prepared to make it happen for you. We offer the right expert long distance moving services to help make your move a lot easier. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,500 miles. By having the best moving services to assist you, any kind of move, small or large, becomes a lot simpler. Working with our team guarantees you get access to all the basic long distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials always on time, and transparent pricing. If you need to hire a California moving company, justifying the cost might seem difficult. However, following a close look at the main benefits of working with a local moving company, you are likely going to see that it's well worth it. The time savings you gain may make using the services of a moving company among the best choices you've made. Movers can also assure you don't need to manage any of the heavy lifting. Our experienced movers offer efficiency with each and every move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Alum Rock moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.